Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing what is the best page website builder on WordPress if you're looking to build your first course utilizing LearnDash. I think I've got some great insights. I think I've got some information that will save you a lot of time and frustration in choosing the right solution. I will be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks, and you're looking to build your first course on LearnDash, which is an excellent choice, very powerful system, been around a number of years, got a lot of add-ons, functionality at a great price. But it's only one part of your kit of key WordPress tools that you need to build this membership website out with. And one of the other key tools is what page builder, what website builder on WordPress you're going to utilize to build all this out with LearnDash. And basically, at the present moment, you've got really two main choices, two main buckets, I would say. You can go with either Gutenberg and a add-on block library system. Well, let's say this, you've got three buckets. You can go purely Gutenberg native and get a theme that is designed for Gutenberg native. I wouldn't recommend that for you because that solution is still changing rapidly over the coming months, and the same thing will apply in 2004. So I would not recommend that. You can, like I've just said, look at utilizing a block library page builder plugin that's built on top of Gutenberg, but they deal with the changes that I've just mentioned. So you have a much more stable environment. And there's about 3 to 4 that I would recommend. And then you can go for a totally external page building system that's not utilizing Gutenberg. They're not building on top of Gutenberg. They're built on WordPress, but they're not utilizing the Gutenberg element. So I'm going to start with those that are not building on Gutenberg. And what are a couple of choices that I could honestly say that you should look at? The big gorilla is Elementor. They have been around a number of years. I would say that they're if you're kind of quasi power user, professional web designer, developer, Elementor is a great solution. And if you're used to Elementor, I would have no problem recommending it. And we offer it as part of our package at WP-Tonic. Another one, I'm looking at my notes, sorry, is Bricks. Bricks is become a very popular solution in the power user WordPress community. Another one I would highly recommend is Beaver Builder. That been around a number of years, great. The developers, founders of Beaver Builder, great people. It's a great platform. Another very popular one, which I would not at the present moment recommend, is Divi, but it's enormously, Divi is in a transformational period where their old technology, they're moving away and they're moving to build something on top of Gutenberg, but they're still in this transitional period. And I would not recommend the old page builder, but it is very popular, and I understand it, but that's my position. I would not recommend it. If you're not going to utilize Gutenberg technology, the three that I've previously recommended, I think if you're looking to build your course utilizing LearnDash, you'd be better off with the three that I've recommended. They've all got strengths and weaknesses, so I can't, at the end, I will give you my personal choice. Now, let's go to those block libraries, editors that are built on native Gutenberg technology. You've got a couple, you've got Spector, and you've got Cadence WP. They're the two main. The main difference between the two is Spector has chosen to be more on the bleeding edge, because Gutenberg decided that a lot of the traditional metaphors when it comes to constructing a menu or having starter themes, they've kind of blown that away recently, and they've gone with what is in the WordPress community called full website editing. That means every page can be its own independent template. I don't particularly like it. I think it's very confusing. I think they can work on it, and I think those confusing elements can be greatly reduced. But I don't think I prefer Cadence WP myself. There's a number of other options. I've listed them all in a really detailed post, and I've gone into a lot more detail. You'll find the link to that post with all the links in the video description underneath this video. Great resource. I highly recommend that you go and have a butcher's of it, have a read up. You get a lot of value from that. So they're the 2 or 3 main buckets. You can go pure native Gutenberg with a theme designed that. I would not recommend that. You can go totally outside of Gutenberg, or you can go with Gutenberg but utilize a block editor, block library stroke editor. What would you choose? Like I say, I wouldn't go native. If you're not going to use Gutenberg technology, I personally, the one I would look at is Elementor. It's got a lot of integration. They're going to be around a long time. They're not going anywhere. They've got over 5 million users worldwide. They're not, it's a stable business. It'll be around a number of years. I've got no, you're going to be happy with it. Right. When it comes to the block library stroke third-party editor, there's another one called Generator Press. There's Spectre. They're the Cadence. They're the 3 most popular. They're all great. I would go with Cadence WP. They're from the same family that operates and maintains and builds out LearnDash. So they're going to make sure the integration between LearnDash and Cadence is going to be the most tightest. Also that I utilize Cadence myself, and I just find it really is a quite an impressive editor, and the team behind that, I've got maximum confidence. So they're the 2 I would look at. Of those 2, I would go with Cadence WP. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. If you did, ring that bell. That tells YouTube I've done a reasonable job. And please subscribe to the channel. It really does help the channel. And it really encourages me to make more of these videos that hopefully you get great value from. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.